Hello and welcome. I'm Lawal. In this lesson, we learn how to import our files in CorelDRAW. So to import your files is very easy. Maybe you are designing and you have some resources that you want to bring in, like photos, like background, your pictures, your effects, different kind of other things, so you can import them into your design. So firstly, the first method is to go to the file and click on import. I select from folder where you have your whatever you want to import. Like let me select this one now. So I can just click on this. I can click and drag to the any size of my choice. Now this one is very fast to move this way. Or you can go to the same import again. Select anything you want to import. Just single click and it will paste the original size of it. You can see. So give you you can see this one is very big. But if I had drag it, I will have been able to set it to the size I want. So let me delete it. If I want to import my object directly to the center of the page, so I will press enter key. You can see it directly on the page. So instead of dragging or clicking, just enter key on the keyboard will bring it to page. And you can also do the same thing. Import, select anything, click spacebar. Okay. So that's one. Okay. Now that's so another method you can import is to just go to your standard spacebar here, the standard bar. This one now you can see this arrow pointing down. Import. This one is the other way, export, but we've not done anything. That is why we don't have option to export. So simply click on it and you select whatever you want to select. Okay, and just pick anything that you want to know. Okay, the same method, you just follow the same procedure and you have it. So the third way is to use your shortcut key control plus what I. It means that you hold down your control key and press letter I, and you have it like this and select. So now if you want to import, but not just directly like that, you want to make changes to it, like this image now. Instead of import, you click on this drop down and you click on crop and load. For example, now you first copy to your text. Okay, I don't want to import everything, I only want it like this. So now, okay, so once I enter key now, to give me this, not the full image again, you can see the difference. So that's very important. And another one, I want to import something, but I want to go with my own size, the size that I want. Okay. Let's just say I want a different size. Let's just say I want a different size, anything at all. I don't know waste time. So I will say the sample and load. You can see this is 720 by 450. Let me just set it to 200 by 200. And if I import it now, it's going to be small. You can see, because I've decreased the size, very small. Very easy. So that is it on how to import your documents.
If you're enjoying this lesson, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and also don't forget to drop your comments so that I will know what to do for you in my next video. So thank you.